Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply use Heygen Video Translate. You can see I have translated a video over here. Let me show you how you can do it from scratch. Now before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description to get 22% off onto their paid plans. So first you need to head over to avatars option and choose an avatar. Let's just say you want to go with Earlier, so I'm going to be selecting that. Then you need to simply type in here your script. Let's just say, hey, welcome to the video. And once you do that, you're going to be clicking on these three dots and click on translate. And then let's just say you want to translate it to German. Click on translate and just wait, apply that, and play. You can see we have two set of options to choose from, so voice 1 and voice 2. Once you go through these, you will decide which voice to generate the video in, and yeah, you can hear the voice, how it sounds.
Hey, willkommen im Video.
And that's how you can use Heygen Video Translate.